Very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to a new session. Now you all had completed our second evaluation. I hope all had written very well, no? Yes, very good. Now you had submitted your books also for correction work. And you will get back your books on 19th December, okay? On 19th December you will get back your books. After that we can do written work. So today we are going to start a new topic, understanding sentences. Understanding sentences. Yes. What do you mean by a sentence? Sentence? Yes. A sentence is a group of words that are put together to mean something. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. You always remember a sentence starts with a capital letter only. We can learn more about sentence in our first standard. Yes, now I am showing you some examples also for how to make a sentence. We can learn today how to make a sentence. Yes, let's start. Yes, what is this? ये क्या है? Jar, jar. Yes, now make a sentence. Yes, this is a jar. Yes, say all, this is a jar. Why we are using this? This क्यों use किया हमने? Because this jar is near to me, है ना? टीचर के पास है इसलिए. So this we know when objects are near to us we will use this, and when objects are far away from us we have to use what? That. See. So in this sentence, say the sentence properly. This is a jar. Say again. This is a jar. Okay. Yes. See the next example. What is this? A box. ये क्या है? Box. Yes. Now what is this? ये क्या है? एक tub है ना? A tub. Yes. Now see. Yes. Can you make a sentence? अभी इसमें से हम एक sentence बनाएंगे. Yes. A box is in the tub. The box कहाँ पे है? Tub के अंदर है ना? So the box is in the tub. समझ में आया सबको? The box is in the tub. Okay? Yes. Now see. Box कहाँ पे है? Tub के ऊपर है ना? Now say the sentence. The box is on the tub. Box कहाँ पर अभी? Tub के ऊपर है. So the box is on the tub. The box is on the tub. Can you able to understand? Yes. See the next example. What is this? A pen. ये क्या है? एक pen है ना? A pen. And what is this? A cup. एक cup है ना? Yes. Now make the sentence. Try to make a sentence. The pen is in the cup. The pen is in the cup. A pen cup के अंदर है. The pen is in the cup. Yes. What is this? A nut. ये क्या है? Nut. Next. Say what is this? A jar. Now make the sentence. Make a sentence all. Yes. The nut is in आएगा और on आएगी. On the jar. The nut is on the jar. Okay. See the next example. This is a pin. This is a pin. And this is a tin. This is a tin. See. When we need to combine two things, what we will use what? And. We use what? And. Yes. Now make a sentence by using and. A pin and a tin. Yes. A pin and a tin. Okay. When we say separately, we say like this. This is a pin. This is a tin. When we combine and say, we have to say like what? A pin and a tin. Okay. A pin and a tin. Next example. Yes. What is this? This is a mat. This is a mat. हम कैसे अलग से हम बोलेंगे तो sentence में हम कैसे बोलेंगे? This is a mat. Okay. And this is a pot. This is a pot. Yes. Now make a new sentence. अभी एक new sentence बना दो. Try to make sentence yourself. आप ही बना दो. Yes. Very good. The pot is on the mat. The pot is on the mat. I think you are clear now. Yes. Now let's do some flashcard activities. Okay. Yes. See. Here are some flashcards. I am not arranging properly. ये सब उल्टा सीधा है, ठीक है? Yes. Now try to read the words. Yes. What is this? is is. Very good. It it. Very good. Bag bag. Bag bag. And my my. Here are some words not in correct order. Okay. Now what we have to do, what you have to do, you have to arrange these words in correct order and have to make a complete sentence. Proper sentence हमको बनाना है. Yes. Now try how we can arrange in proper order. See, is, it, bag, my. ये sentence बराबर लग रहा है आपको? नहीं. Is, it, bag, my. कुछ sensible sentence है ये? Sensible है? नहीं. So see, first of all you remind. Sentence starts with a capital letter. Mainly first a sentence टीचर ने बोला है sentence starts with a capital letter. Yes, तो हमको पकड़ सकते हैं ना. I am given you a clue. See, yes, it, ये तो first letter capital में ही है. So here it will come. No, it. Yes, see, it is bag my. अभी देखो sentence बराबर लग रहा है आपको. It is bag my. See, first you have to remind two things. The sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Ends with a full stop. Sentence के end में क्या होना चाहिए? Full stop. And the sentence starts with a capital letter. See, it is bag my. बराबर है? No. Yes, ऐसे रखो. It is my bag and full stop. बराबर हो गई? Okay, yes, very good. It is my bag. Now अभी बोल के देखो, sentence बराबर है? ये मेरा बैग है. It is my bag. Are you clear now? Yes. Now see the next example. Here also some flashcards. I am arranging here. See, कैसे उल्टा सीधा टीचर arrange करूँगी and you have to arrange it in a correct order. Okay? See. Yes. Now first try to read the words. इस some words को टीचर अनजम्बल करके रखा है, इधर उधर है ना. वर्ड्स प्रॉपरली नहीं है, ऑर्डरली नहीं है. And you have to first read. Try to read the words and you have to what? Arrange the words in proper order to make a complete sentence. Okay? Yes. First step. P-A-R-K. Yes. Park. Yes. All read. P-A-R-K. Park. Okay. Then G-O. You know that. What is this sight word? Go. G-O. Go. Then S-H-E. She. S-H-E. She. This is also sight word. We learned it already. Okay. S-H-E. She. Then T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. T-O. To. T-O. To. Okay. Now see. A word sentence बराबर है. Park. Go. She. The. To. कुछ सेंसिबल सेंटेंस है ये? नो. पार्क, गो, शी, द, टू. फर्स्ट मेनली व्हाट आई टोल्ड, सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स विथ अ कैपिटल लेटर. इसमें पार्क का वो ये एक क्लू है. ठीक है, ये पार्क कैपिटल लेटर में स्टार्ट है? नो. सो सी, एरा, शी, सेंटेंस दिस वर्ड स्टार्ट्स विथ व्हाट? कैपिटल लेटर. ओके, हमारी एक क्लू मिल गई. टेक इट. अभी इसको फर्स्ट अरेंज करो. ओके. शी, शी, पार्क, गो, द, टू. ए पार्क में भी देखो फुल स्टॉप है. सो वी नो द सेंटेंस एंड्स विद द फुल स्टॉप एंड इट विल कम इन द लास्ट. इट विल कम इन द लास्ट. ओके. यस. नाउ ट्राई टू रीड. शी गो द टू पार्क. अभी बराबर लग रहा है आपको? शी गो द टू पार्क. कुछ अच्छा बराबर लग रहा है सेंटेंस को? नो. See, she go to the park. She go to the park. Now see the sentence is in a complete sense है ना. अभी sentence बराबर हो गए. She go to the park. She means she go to the park. वो पार्क में जा रही है. अभी सेंटेंस क्लियर हो गई, कंप्लीट हो गई. She go to the park. Okay, clear all? Yes. Let's see another example. Here also some flashcards are here. Okay. See. Now try to read. Read the first word. W-H-E-R-E, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. This is sight word, we learned it already. Where. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Y-O-U-R, your. This is also sight word, we learned it already. And I-S, is. Again, try to read. Where, pen, your, is. Okay. एक सेंटेंस लग रहा है आपको? Where, pen, your, is. No. See, first letter starts with a capital letter. So this one is okay. First word is okay. No. W-H, where, W in capital letter. W-H-E-R-E, where. Then pen, your, is. And one more thing. See, where means, टीचर ने बताया ना उस दिन, where means कहाँ. Where means कहाँ. तो कहाँ ऐसे पूछेगा तो वो कैसे है? एक क्वेश्चन है ना. कहाँ है, कहाँ है. What is that? एक क्वेश्चन है. So एक क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस है that ends with a question mark. क्वेश्चन मार्क में एंड होना चाहिए, फुल स्टॉप नहीं. ठीक है. नॉर्मल सेंटेंस है तो that ends with a full stop. And when a question sentence है, what is your name? Where is your bag? Where is your pen? इसे क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस है that ends with a question mark. ठीक है. See, P-N, pen. क्वेश्चन मार्क. व्हाट इज दिस? क्वेश्चन मार्क. तो हमको समझ में आ गई. ए पेन, ए वर्ड हमको कहाँ आएगी? एकदम लास्ट में आएगी. ओके. क्योंकि दिस क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस एंड्स विद द वर्ड क्वेश्चन मार्क. नाउ योर इज पेन. ए बराबर लग रहा है वेयर योर इज पेन? नो. क्यों नहीं लग रहा? वेयर योर इज पेन एक सेंसिबल सेंटेंस है ये? नो. सी नाउ ट्राई टू रीड. Where is your pen? इस सेंटेंस में yes. Now see, where is your pen? Where is your pen? Is it a complete sentence? Sensible word sentence है ये. Is it a complete sentence? Yes. Where is your pen? आपकी पेन कहाँ है? आपकी पेन कहाँ है? Okay. Now you can you able to understand this? Okay. Yes. Now we can learn to read some more sentences. Okay. Yes. All of you listen here. See. First one. I, E-A-T, eat. E-A-T, eat. M-Y, my. F-O-O-D, food. Yes. All read. I eat my food. I eat my food. समझ में आए सबको? मैंने खाना खा लिया. I eat my food. Okay. Yes. See the next sentence. A-N, and. A-N, and. Next. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Aeroplane. Then F-L-I-E-S, flies. Aeroplane flies. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. S-K-Y, sky. Yes, read. An aeroplane flies in the sky. Aeroplane आकाश में उड़ता है ना? Yes. This is not three letter words. ये थोड़ा different words है. Just we are learning. Okay. An aeroplane flies in the sky. Okay. Then next sentence. I-T, it. I-S, is. M-Y, my. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Yes, read it. It is my school. See, the first letter starts with a capital letter and ends with a sentence ends with a full stop. It is my school. Okay. A मेरा school है. Okay. Then next one. S-A-M, Sam. H-A-S, has. A. B-L-U-E, blue. Read all. B-L-U-E, blue. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Yes, read it. Sam has a blue cap. Sam has a blue cap. Sam के पास क्या है? एक ब्लू कलर की कैप है. ओके. Sam has a blue cap. Okay. Then Anuj. CAN, can. PAINT, paint. PAINT, paint. Yes, read. Anuj can paint. Anuj को पेंट कर सकता है. Anuj can paint. Okay. Then last sentence. SIMRAN, Simran. SIMRAN, सिम. आप टीचर के साथ रीड करके जाना तो ये आपको क्लियर होगा. सिमरन आपको टीचर के साथ ही रीड करके जाना, ठीक है. SITS, सिट्स. SITS, सिट्स. ON, on. RED, read. MAT, mat. Simran sits on a red mat. Simran sits on a red mat. सिमरन रेड कलर की मैट के ऊपर बैठी है. ओके. सिमरन सिट्स ऑन अ रेड मैट. यस. नाउ वंस अगेन ऑल रीड इट विथ मी. यस. आई ईट माय फूड. क्लियर. द नेक्स्ट. एन एरोप्लेन फ्लाइज इन द स्काई. नेक्स्ट. इट इज माय स्कूल. नेक्स्ट. Sam has a blue cap. Next. Anuj can paint. Okay. Simran sits on a red mat. Okay. Yes. Now you all had submitted your books in our school. You are not having your books, so I am not telling you take the books. Okay. अभी आपके पास books नहीं है, so आपका भी book निकालना नहीं. Just you have to watch the video only. अभी आपको सिर्फ इधर देखना है. ओके. वी हैड लर्न सम सेंटेंसेस नाउ, है ना. हम अभी बहुत सारे सेंटेंस लर्न किया है. एंड हियर इन दिस पेज वी कैन डू एक्सरसाइज. ओके. सिर्फ वन पेज एक्सरसाइजेस आई एम शोइंग यू हाउ टू डू. आप इधर बराबर देख लो. वी कैन लर्न हाउ टू डू. एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग योर बुक्स, आपको बुक्स मिलने के बाद यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द एक्सरसाइज. ओके. यस. सी इन पेज नंबर 50 आई एम डूइंग. पेज नंबर 50 आई एम शोइंग यू हाउ टू डू एंड यू हैव टू डू इट व्हेन. कब आपको करना है? बुक मिलने के बाद. ओके. सी द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. वी लर्न इट ऑलरेडी नाउ. आई ईट माई फूड. हियर व्हाट टू डू? Identify which drawing the following sentences best describe and write the matching numbers in the boxes. This is for understanding sentences. Here some pictures are given and some sentences are also given. These sentences we learned it now and I explained you to read and meaning also. आपको ये सेंटेंस रीड करके उसके रिलेटेड पिक्चर यहाँ पर होगा. उसमें नंबर्स भी लिखा है. सब में बॉक्स में नंबर्स भी है. करेक्ट नंबर हमको ए बॉक्स में डालना है. यू हैव टू पुट द करेक्ट नंबर इन दिस बॉक्स. ओके. सी फर्स्ट वन. फर्स्ट सी द सेंटेंस. आई. Yes, read it all. Eat my food. Yes, what is the meaning of this sentence? I eat my food. मैंने मेरा खाना खा लिया है. Yes, see the picture. See, I eat my food. Is it that sentence? No. I eat my food. Yes, ए रहा है ना. He is eating his food. So number 4. Ram is eating his food. No, एक अपना खाना खा रहा है. Yes. Number 4. So we have to put the number 4 here. Okay, clear? Okay. Then see the next one. And yes, aeroplane flies in the sky. And aeroplane flies in the sky. बस ये सेंटेंस की एन एरोप्लेन स्काई में फ्लाई कर रहा है ना. ये सेंटेंस की पिक्चर ढूंढो. सब पिक्चर ढूंढो. Is it that picture? No. An aeroplane flies in the sky? No. This one? No. This one? No. And this one? Yes. An aeroplane is flying in the sky. Yes. So which number? Number 5. So we have to put what? Number 5 here. In this box we have to put the number 5. Yes. Okay. Then see the next one. It is my school. It is my school. Yes, find out. Yes, here is it. No, it is my school. ये मेरी स्कूल है. ये मेरी स्कूल है. ये मेरा स्कूल है. Yes, number which number? Number 1. Number 1. Okay. Then See the next sentence. Sam has a blue cap. These all words we learn to read it. अभी हमने लर्न किया है. So you know Sam has a blue cap. Sam के पास एक blue कलर की cap है. Yes, find out the picture. Is it that? No. This one? No. Sam has a blue cap. Find out. Yes, here is it. Sam. This Sam has a what? Blue cap. So which number? Number 6. Put number 6 here. Okay? Yes. Then Anuj can paint. Anuj can paint. Yes, Anuj को paint कर सकता है. Yes, find out. Is it that one? No. Yes, this Anuj can paint. Anuj को painting कर सकता है. Okay. So number which number? Number 2. So here we have to put the number 2. Okay. Then last one. Simran sits on a red mat. Simran sits on a red mat. Simran is sitting on a where? Red color mat. Let's find out where is Simran. No, this one no. Yes, here is Simran. Simran is sitting on a red color mat. So which number? Number 3. So we have to put the number 3 here. Okay. And this exercise you have to do after. सबको books 19th को मिल जाएगा ना, उसके बाद you have to do. Okay? Yes. We can see another topic in the next session. Till then, bye bye.